Hey everyone, Airtable has a few different ways to set up notifications depending on what you need. I'll walk you through each one so you can pick what works for you. First, check your built-in notification preferences. These control standard events like when someone mentions you, shares a base with you, or assigns you to a record. Open your Airtable home screen, then click your account profile icon in the upper right corner. Click Notification Preferences. Select the checkboxes next to Mobile, Push Notifications, and Email to enable both types. You'll start receiving alerts through email, mobile push, and the bell icon in the app. Keep in mind you can't pick and choose individual events here, it's all or nothing for built-in notifications. For more control, create custom email notifications using automations. This lets you set conditions like when a form is submitted or a field changes. From a base, click the Automations button on the top left side of the screen. Click Create New, then Create Automation. Click Add Trigger, then choose your trigger type, something like when a record is updated or when a record matches conditions. Configure your trigger conditions by selecting the table, fields, and conditions to monitor. Test the trigger by clicking Test Trigger. Airtable will look for a matching record, click Use Suggested Record, or choose record to pick one yourself. Click Add Advanced Logic or Action, then under the Airtable header, choose Send Email. Fill in the to, subject, and message fields. You can add dynamic values from the triggering record by clicking the blue plus button in any field. Test the action, then toggle the automation on. Notifications will send automatically whenever your condition is met. For team notifications, set up Slack notifications via automations. Follow the same steps to create an automation and configure a trigger. Click Add Advanced Logic or Action, then under the Slack header, choose Send a Message. First time connecting Slack? Click Connect New Account from the dropdown and follow the prompts. Select your Slack account, then pick the channel where you want the message to appear. Compose your notification message using the plus button to add dynamic data. Test the action, then toggle the automation on. When it runs, a message will appear in your chosen Slack channel with the details you customized. The last method is Base Activity Slack Notifications. This sends updates to Slack whenever changes are made to an entire base, not just specific conditions. Go to the Airtable base you want to monitor. Click the drop-down arrow next to the base name, then the ellipses icon. Select Slack Notifications. Choose which base you want updates from and what channel you want them posted to. Configure your rule settings and save. You can create as many rules as you need so different bases can post to different channels. You can view all your notifications by clicking the bell icon in the upper right corner of the home screen or the lower left corner inside a base. Notifications older than 180 days are automatically deleted. That covers the main ways to set up notifications in Airtable. Pick whichever method fits your workflow.